what would you draw? What would your picture be? And I said, that's simple. For the new education. What's the new picture of education? If it isn't Socrates in his robes and blah, 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 what would your picture be? And I said, that's a no-brainer for me, Cirque du Soleil. Because Cirque du Soleil redefined the circus. They didn't say, you know what, we need bigger elephants. We need funnier clowns. We need more gorgeous women. We need fiercer tigers. They redefined the circus. So when I think about our work in terms of transformation and a new story, a new map, a new landscape of teaching and learning that will ignite and nurture what I call decidedly different minds, and we began to talk about some of those characteristics today, I'm thinking Cirque du Soleil. We need to redefine this idea of learning in school.